Good morning, student. Today we are going to another part of integration, that is in this formula. We are going to derive a new formula. Integration of a to the power fx plus f dash x dx will be e to the power fx plus c. E to the power f dash x will vanish automatically. How? That proof I am showing you. Just I am proving this one. and okay, I am first open the bracket. Now I am doing this one by parts. This part remain as it is. So by parts, exponential function in Euler rule, e coming last, so this will be the second function, this will be the first function. Exponential function coming last. So by parts, first function integration of second minus differentiation of second integration of first and whole dx. So we get e to the power x fx minus e to the power c minus e to the power x f differentiation of fx will be f dash x dx. This is cancelled, so finally coming this. So it is very important formula. One question you definitely get. Generally objective type questions are coming. Now I am doing question number 16. This is the question, 1 mark question. E to the power x sin x plus cos x. If we take fx as sin x, then f dash x will be cos x. Then answer will be e to the power x fx plus c. So directly you can write the answer. Okay, no need to show like that. This is a formula. This is a formula, important formula. Okay. So we'll do like it. And one important suggestion, in your board exam, any questions of integration coming with e to the power x something, then it must be follow this formula. Because see, question number 17. So this is not given directly, but we have to change this part in the form of fx and f dash x. Then only we get the answer. Otherwise answer will not come. Since ex is there, just now I told, it must be in the form of e to the power x fx plus f dash x. So you have to change this part in this form. So what I have done, I have written in place of x 1 plus x minus 1. Then divide separately. If we divide separately, we get this one. Now you can see, if I take this one fx, what will be the differentiation of this? Negative this whole square. So this is in the form of fx minus f dash x. Means you can write this plus and this minus here. Fx f dash x. So answer will be 1 by x e to the power x plus c. This question if come 2 marks question. Okay. Then see one more question. Once again, by e to the power x, we have to understand that we have to change this one in the form of fx and f dash x. So I divide separately. Then we have written this one x by 2 formula. Two functions, you have to single functions. So finally it became, this one became tan x by 2. This will be half x square x by 2. So you know, if fx is tan x by 2, then differentiation of tan x by 2 will be 1 by 2 x square x by 2. Then answer will be this. So very simple. So this formula you remember, and we can use this one. If this type of question come, then it will be 4 marks. Directly not given. We have to change this one in the form of fx plus f dash x. Okay. Now coming to the last part of special integral, exercise 7.7. We have 3 set of special integral. Okay. I told you I will prove one. I show the proof of one, because one in the previous exercise one terms came, I have directly used the formula. That time I told that I will show you the proof. Okay. So you one more, this part of this formula, it is same as, suppose dx by root over x square minus s square. You must have a log of x plus root over x square minus s square. So this part is similar as previous one. So this way you have to remember. Anyhow, I'm doing the second one. I've started with this. I've taken 1 into this. Now we have to take this one as first function, because if I take this one second function, we have to integrate our formula first function into integration of second function. So we don't know the integration of this. Both are algebraic. Here both are algebraic, but we cannot integrate this one right now. So we take this one as a first function, one as a second function. So then we do this one came. Okay, I consider this integral as a I. Then I am continuing with this. Then after simplification this will come. Now again adjustment method we write. This factor you have to write a square minus x square. If we simplify, this one will come. So this can be rewrite like this. Then divide separately. Then this one root over a square minus x square, and this one. So that whatever you have start, so this one can be replaced by I, and this one we know sin inverse x by a. Now this here is I, and this I became 2i became this. Then I became x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Okay, you must derive this formula, and this thing I'm always telling, if you know how to derive the formula, you can easily solve most of the questions. Okay, so let us see that 7.7, 7.6, 7.7, 7.5 all are same. We have to change this one in the standard form, in the root. Then we have to apply formula. Okay, so one more, there is additional part of this 7.7 is given in the miscellaneous, that is not in the portion. This whatever given exercise, that is portion. Okay, so first of all we make x square positive, like earlier also we have done. Then try to make this one perfect square. For perfect square we have to make x square, 2ab required, 3x is there, we write 2 into 3 by 2, so that it became 3x only. To make it perfect square we need 9 by 4, then adjust 9 minus 9 by 4 and minus 1, then it became x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 4. Yes, 13 by 4. Now open the bracket. We cannot take negative sign outside the root, that I told earlier. Now this negative sign we have to adjust. If we open, it will come in the form of a square minus x square. Then we will use formula, that is x by 2 root over a square minus x square, a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Okay, so if we simplify, this one coming, now this one we get from this one. This is our original polynomial. By the adjustment we will do this, so no need to simplify this one. We can directly write this one, because we get this one from this. Don't waste time, directly write this, and you have to give in this form only answer. Then 13 by 8 sin inverse 2x plus 3 minus 3 by root 3. So you can do the other question. Other question also you have to, all are same, you have to change them either in the form of a square minus x square, or x square minus a square, or x square plus a square. And then we apply the formula. That is this exercise 7.7. So this is end of our syllabus for half yearly exam. So you try to finish the rest. Thank you.